And Uncle Chris.
And Uncle Chris.
Wow.
It's Daddy has. This is what I was been waiting for
years and years.
Is that a remote controlled dinosaur?
Can I play with it?
Wait, let Kaylee open her last gift and then we'll...
Wow, Brain, turn it around so I can see it. Wow, Brain.
Oh, what you have, Dad.
Alright, okay, here goes Kaylee.
Wow, man.
That's a dinosaur. Don't be
Oh,
scared.
Kay oh, Kaylee, what do you got?
What is that?
Wow, it's like a little computer.
Yeah. It's like a
It's
little...
Very cool.
seems to.
Wow, guys.
Can I take this out now? Okay,